for those out there that want to start building business credit but don't want to go through the hassle of getting net 30s or vendor accounts in order to start building your business credit up, then I got you. In this video, we're going to be talking about another way you can start building business credit, and this other way is going to be using a business secure credit card. And this business secure credit card is going to be known as the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Reward Secured Business Credit Card. That is the longest name I've ever heard for a credit card. But if you guys want to start building your business credit by using the secured business credit card method, then make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, because I will be dropping some gems in this video that you do not want to miss out on. If you're already subscribed, then welcome back. But if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Ismael Sandiford, and you are now watching Just Money, where we talk about financial related topics such as personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So ladies and gentlemen, there's a couple different ways you can start building your business credit up. One of the ways to start building business credit is by getting net 30 accounts with vendors such as Uline, Granger, or even Quill.com. But the thing with that is most lenders typically require you to have good personal credit in order to qualify for that. So if you don't have good personal credit, then you can start by getting this Bank of America Business Secure Credit Card. And if you guys are going to apply for this Business Secure Credit Card, then I would recommend doing it in person, to be honest. And I only say this so that way the banker there can help you with any questions that you might have. And also another thing I recommend when doing this is ask the banker if you can see the screen of the monitor, so that way you can make sure that all of the information that they're putting in is correct. Because a huge common reason why a lot of people are getting denied is because of spelling errors that are on the application, so just make sure to double check that. And I also recommend taking a picture of the screen as well, so that way you can use the same information whenever you apply for another business credit card. Because for example, if you get approved with the information that the banker used, then you'll want to use that same information the way they had input it for best chances of approval on another business credit card that you might want to apply for in the future. But this Bank of America Business Secure Credit Card is pretty much an easy approval, since it is a secure credit card at the end of the day. But just keep in mind, they do pull from your personal credit when you apply for this credit card, so this is definitely going to be a hard inquiry on your personal credit profile. And for those wondering where they're going to be pulling from, they're going to be pulling from your personal TransUnion. But once you get this card, it will report to your business credit and not your personal credit. And a few documents you're going to need when applying is a copy of your EIN or your federal tax ID, and also a copy of your articles of organization, which is a one-page document. And if you don't have them, you can always give them the numbers, but just make sure to at least have that. And also, by the way, make sure to check and see if your entity is in good standing with the state before applying, because they'll definitely check for that. But anyways, let's go to the website now and see the information that they will need for the actual application. Okay guys, so here we are at the Bank of America website, and we're looking at the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Reward Secured Business Credit Card. This is a very long name. I've never heard a credit card this long, but now let's take a look at the application and what you need in order to apply. Okay, so once we're here at the website, you'll see all the benefits that this business credit card has to offer right off the bat that I'll talk about a little later in this video. But if we scroll down, the applications are going to start with your business name and your business address. So just go ahead and put your legal business name in the first box and also your business name in the second box. And by the way, however you put your business name on the second box will determine how it will show on your business secure credit card. Then it's going to ask if your business has a DBA, which stands for doing business as. If it doesn't, click no. If it does, click yes and put your legal doing business as name. But then after that, you're going to want to put your business address, and please guys, do not put no PO box. After you're done putting your business address, go ahead and put your business phone number as well right here. And if you guys have a different business mailing address, go ahead and check that box and put in the address that you want your business mail to go to. But if you guys don't have a different business mailing address, then don't even worry about this. Next, they're going to want some business and financial information, so just go ahead and put your federal tax ID number, the country that your business was started in. Most of you guys are going to choose the United States, and also they want to know which country you will be having most of your business in. Then you're going to pick what type of industry you're in, and they want to see how much your business is making and what year and month your business was first started. Then it's going to ask if your business is a non-operating entity and if you're doing business outside of the US. If yes, click yes. If no, then click no. Then the application is going to ask if your business is operating as a charity or a non-governmental organization. And if your business is a non-profit, again, click yes if yes. If no, then click no. Another question this application has is, does your business engage in any internet gambling activities? Honestly, I would just click no on this, because this can make or break the deal of you not getting approved. Then they're going to ask if you're a US citizen and if you have dual citizenship in another country, so go ahead and answer that. The next thing this application is talking about is what is all the income that is coming in the household that you are at. Make sure to list everybody's income that's coming in, whoever resides with you, because when you use everybody's income, it just looks better on credit card applications, especially business ones. And then after that, they just want to know where your security deposit is coming from. So if you bank with Bank of America, you can click BOA checking or savings account, or if it's another checking or savings account, then click another checking or savings account. account. And that's pretty much it for this application, guys. You just agree to the terms and conditions and then just continue with the application to see if you get approved. But again, ladies and gentlemen, this business secure credit card is definitely an easy approval since, again, it is just a secure credit card at the end of the day. Bank of America just needs to base your approval on your personal credit because you don't have any business credit established yet. For most business credit cards, you're going to need a minimum of a 680 FICO score. But not to worry, ladies and gentlemen, because with this card, you can actually apply with bad personal credit. You can have a 580 FICO score and still get approved. But the minimum required deposit for this business secure credit card is going to be $1,000 and the maximum is going to be $10,000. So just imagine if you have $10,000 to deposit, then you'll have a $10,000 credit limit reporting to your business credit right away. But if you don't have $10,000, then you can always start with $1,000 and deposit more later if you want to increase it later. So let's say, for example, you have $3,000 right now to use as a deposit, but you know later, like in a month or so, you're going to have another $2,000. You can use the $3,000 now and deposit the rest later if you want a higher limit to start out with. And I only say this so that way you guys can start sooner rather than later. I hope that makes sense. And real quick, if you guys are finding any of this information helpful, if you guys could do me a favor and hit the like button, I would truly appreciate it because it really helps me out a lot. But anyways, just like a regular secure credit card, this business secure credit card graduates to unsecured status. And when you graduate, you'll even get your deposit back. So this is kind of like a forced savings account in a way. What they do is periodically check your account to see if you're using it responsibly. And then after a few months of having this card and using it responsibly, you'll get your deposit back. And at that point, they will automatically increase your limit and return your initial deposit as well. But another good thing to know is you don't have to be banking with them in order to get approved for this card. And you also don't need a DUNS number in order to apply, although you should definitely get a DUNS number. If you guys don't know what a DUNS number is, I made a whole video explaining what it is and how to get one, so I'll link that down in the description below for you guys. But anyways, they also don't require proof of income either. So if you're a new business with no income, then you can simply estimate your future income onto the application. You can do that, or you can actually use your personal income and even add your household income on there as well. So for example, if you're married, you can actually also add the income of your spouse without any proof. So this business secure credit card is literally perfect for startups. If you just started your LLC, then you can definitely apply. And then after you apply, it takes about a day or so to know if you got approved or not. But once you're approved, you'll get a text message on your cell phone saying congratulations, you have been approved. And if you already bank with them, then you'll see the card information already on the banking app. If you don't bank with them, then I recommend just downloading the app, or you can also manage your account online. Another thing you can do is add authorized users at the same time of applying, but you will need their full name and social security number in order to do so. But if you wanted to, you can always add authorized users later on down the road if you don't want to do it right now. And if you're wondering which business bureau this card reports to once you're approved for it, it's going to report to the Small Business Financial Exchange. The Small Business Financial Exchange is utilized by other bureaus such as Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Small Business, and even Experian Business. And what these bureaus do is they pull your information from the Small Business Financial Exchange to check your credit whenever it's needed to. But now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about some of the benefits that this business secure credit card has to offer. This card is going to give you free access to your business credit score from Dun & Bradstreet. You also earn a limited 1.5% cash back on every purchase that you make, and there's also no annual fees on this card. The APR on this card is going to be 28.49%, but that can vary depending on the time that you're watching this video. This business credit card is also going to offer contactless pay, and it also has a chip reader so that way you can just insert it in every time you pay. But you'll also receive zero liability for unauthorized transactions and a few other benefits that typically come normal on most other credit cards out there. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys found value in any of this information. Let me know in the comments, how long have you had your business for? I would like to know. And really quick, for people that don't know, I do offer one-on-one consultations. The link will always be in the description below. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, we are at 31,729 subscribers at the time of this recording, so I do appreciate all who watch. I do post weekly videos for those that don't know, and if you guys haven't yet already, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't yet already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And again, we talk about personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics, so if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. We talk about how to get high limits on your guys' credit cards, we talk about how to boost your personal credit, how to obtain business credit, we talk about real estate, we talk about mortgage loan programs, we talk about all that. So this is your one-stop shop. And for those that don't know, I'm a licensed real estate agent, a realtor, and I'm also a licensed mortgage loan originator as well. So if you guys have any questions or concerns in regards to real estate, all my information will always be in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.